All right, after all the excitement last month, the countdown is already on to next year's Artemis 3 mission. Astronauts will be sent to low Earth orbit to test life support and landing equipment. This will be the big one to get ready for the return trip to the moon. But today, NASA's already taking things one step further and giving us an early look at the timeline for building a base on the moon. Fox News multimedia reporter Amy Gallo joins us live from Florida's Space Coast. Amy, what did you learn today about NASA's moon base plans? Because there's a lot of interested folks after what we saw last month.
Certainly, Ian, and we learned a lot today, specifically about the first 3 phases of this moon base mission. And this mission will have 25 missions altogether, right, this program, and 21 of those will be lunar landings. We got to learn about all of that today. Moon Base 1 and 2 will deliver cargo to the moon and South Pole, things like rovers, drones, lunar terrain vehicles, satellites, and other equipment. Then Moon Base 3 will be a knowledge-gathering mission to see how future infrastructure will hold up against the harsh conditions of the lunar surface. Today, NASA announced they aim to launch the first 3 unmanned missions before the end of this year. Their goal, building humanity's first outpost beyond Earth.
In the 3 phases we've described, we hope to have some sort of habitation capability in phase 2 with the pressurized rover. That will be where the astronauts can land on their human-rated lander, hop on the pressurized rover, and basically work and explore the moon on a short-lived environment.
The moon base is a core part of NASA's Artemis program. Just last month, the space agency made history when it successfully completed the Artemis 2 mission, which sent astronauts around the moon for the first time in half a century. In 2028, the plan is for the Artemis 4 crew to make the first moon landing since 1972, and it's all to help lay the foundation for the moon base, which could eventually allow astronauts to live on and explore the moon's south pole over the next decade plus.
Everything we tested and learned on Artemis 2, the systems, the teamwork, the operational tempo, feeds directly into our ability to build a sustainable foothold on the moon. With Moonbase, Artemis astronauts will stay longer, explore farther, and conduct the kinds of science that advances exploration itself, understanding how humans operate off-world, how we build infrastructure, and how we prepare for Mars.
NASA announced today we'll be partnering with Blue Origin, Astrolab, Lunar Outpost, and Farfly for these missions, and we can expect several updates for all of these missions as we go into the next couple of years here. Ian?
Yeah, how cool is that? A big construction project, no question. And by definition, Moonbase doesn't make us an interplanetary species, but it puts us a crucial step closer to that. We heard the Mars mentioned, so really exciting stuff from the Space Coast. That's Fox News multimedia reporter Amy Gallo. Thank you.